This will be the easiest and fastest tutorial on how to buy the Biao Meme Coin. Welcome to the channel, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's jump straight into it. So the first thing that you will need to do is download the Moonshot app. The link will be in the description box below. The Moonshot app is one of the most popular apps that a lot of people use to invest in meme coins. Moonshot makes it very simple. No more going to sketchy websites, downloading sketchy wallets, or any of that stuff. With the Moonshot app, it is super easy. There's literally two buttons, buy and sell. Also, they have thousands of meme coins to choose from. So once you have downloaded the Moonshot app, it will look something like this. And then when you open it, you can simply go into the search bar and type in Biao, or you can also paste the contract address as well, whichever one works for you. Once you have done that, you are going to see the token. One thing that I love about Moonshot, it only shows you the original meme coin. For example, if you type in Doge on another website, you're going to see thousands of fake Doges, and a lot of people invest in the fake ones and they end up losing all of their money. But with Moonshot, they only show you the original one, so they're pretty much helping you not get scammed. Once you have found the token, in this example we are going to be using Biao, so you simply click on it and then it will show you the chart. In this chart you are able to see if it's trending higher, lower, if it's flat, or whatever. But if you scroll down, you are going to see some valuable information such as the market cap, how many holders, when it was created, the volume, and other info. So once all the information checks out, you'll be ready to buy, and then simply scroll down until you see the giant green button that says buy. You're simply going to click on it. On the next screen, you will enter in the amount of money that you want to invest. With the Moonshot app, you can invest as little as $1, or you can invest thousands of dollars. It just depends on your financial situation. One other thing that I want to mention about the Moonshot app is that you can invest in meme coins with your Venmo account, with your PayPal, your credit card, your debit card, your bank account. They literally have so many funding options, so you can use all those accounts to buy some meme coins. So once you have decided and entered how much money you want to invest in the Biao meme coin, you're simply going to slide the bar on the very bottom to the right. After you slide it, it will confirm your order and you will be an official owner of the Biao meme coin. That is how simple and easy it is to buy Biao on the Moonshot app. I told you guys, quick, simple, and easy. So that concludes this quick video. Also, one final thing that I want to mention, if you use the link in the description box below to download the Moonshot app, you will have a chance to get some free meme coins, anywhere between $3 to $100 worth of a random meme coin. It looks just like this. Once you have made your deposit, you're going to get this option and you will swipe until you get some free crypto. So definitely check it out. Smash the like button, subscribe. See you next video. Peace out.